We're now 1 minute from undocking. Atlantis and the International Space Station will be 222 miles above the Indian Ocean, just to the southwest of Australia, at the point that they will bid farewell to one another. "30 seconds. "10 seconds.
Houston and station from Atlantis, physical separation. Copy. Houston, copy.
Undocking confirmed at 10:22 a.m. Central Time.
Space Shuttle Atlantis departing.
Once again, Space Shuttle Atlantis has officially undocked from the International Space Station at 10:22 a.m. Central Time. The two vehicles 222 miles above the Indian Ocean, just to the southwest of Australia. Atlantis beginning the process of slowly backing away from the International Space Station at this time. This is still sequential video from inside the orbiter docking system ring, looking back up at pressurized mating adapter number 2. Atlantis now bidding farewell to the International Space Station. This shuttle has served as an important tool in the construction and the assembly sequence of the International Space Station. Atlantis delivered the U.S. Destiny Laboratory back in 2001, also the Quest airlock in that same year. It has delivered several of the truss segments of the station, the Columbus Laboratory, and of course the Rosfed module, the brand new piece that it delivered on this mission. Atlantis now 15 feet away from the station, slowly backing away.
Atlantis, station is now in attitude control. Hawk, I gotta tell you, you guys are consummate professionals with a great sense of humor. We were so glad to see you. Loved working with you. See you soon, brother, and stay safe.
Copy all, TJ, and same comments right back at you, brother.
Now 22 feet in between Space Shuttle Atlantis and the International Space Station. The shuttle slowly backing away at a very slow rate. This will increase over the next few seconds. Atlantis' jets will be armed and will begin the process of backing the shuttle away to a distance of about 400 to 600 feet. Atlantis now 35 feet away from the station. You're getting a good view of pressurized mating adapter number 2 there. That is the center dark section there on the end of the Harmony node. To the left and the right are Columbus, which Atlantis brought up back in 2008, as well as the Cubo Laboratory. A few minutes ago, you heard Expedition 23 flight engineer TJ Creamer wishing the crew of Atlantis a fond farewell. He was following not far behind the crew in his journey back to Earth. He and Oleg Kotov and Soichi Noguchi will say farewell to the station as well and come back home aboard their Soyuz coming up on June 1st. Distance of Atlantis now 45 feet away from the station. The rate still about 1/10 of a foot per second. Once again, this is a graphic representation of the current position of Atlantis as it backs away from the station complex. That green cone is what Atlantis is flying exactly down the middle of. In this view, you will also be able to see the jets firing. You will see some yellow dots plume out from that shuttle animation there. Atlantis now 55 feet away from the station. The rate is increasing a bit now, 2/10 of a foot per second. The propulsion officer here in Mission Control is reporting that all of the reaction control system jets have been selected. This is what the crew will now use to increase the distance and the rate between Atlantis and the station.